All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. We're back inside our Web3Py favorites module, and we're still doing the decrypting private key in Python section of the module. Yesterday, we actually went over the process of getting our ETH account and our import account into our deploy favorites. And we're going to go over to our contract so I can show you what it looks like, just in case there was any confusion. As we went over yesterday, like I told you, we don't have to actually import the entire encrypt key.py file into our deploy. So you can see here in our encrypt key.py file, we have our from ETH account import account. This is because this is a standalone library with a standalone features. So we don't really need to import the encrypt key into our deploy favorites file. That's why when we come back over here, you can see we just have the from ETH account importing count. This is because this is a standalone. So if I were to take out this encrypt key import keystone path, this ETH account and import account will still work perfectly fine because it's a standalone library and it doesn't really need this to work. That's what I was trying to explain to you yesterday. Nothing really important. I just want to go over that just in case there was any confusion, just to clear it up. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it there for today. I don't want to do too much. Tomorrow we're gonna pick up with some light reading, and I'm gonna keep you informed as we move forward. But of course, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.